See the question number 9. Differentiate x raised to power sin x plus sin x cos x with respect to x. Let y be this function. There are two terms in this function. Let this function be u and this be v. So dv dy upon dx is equal to du upon dx. Now we are to find the two values du upon dx and dv upon dx. Here u is equal to x raised to the power sin x. So we will use here the logarithmic method. Take log both sides. So log u is equal to log of x to the power sin x, which means log u is equal to sin x into log x. Now there are two functions, first function and second. We can use the product rule here. Therefore, differentiate this. We will differentiate this, so it become 1 upon u into du upon dx. Now derivative of the first function is cos x, sin x, derivative of sin x cos x into the second function. Now first function into derivative of second function is 1 upon x. Now we will transfer u to the right hand side, so du upon dx will be u. U is x raised to power sin x, x raised to the power sin x into cos x into log x plus sin x over x. So we can also write this as x raised to the power sin x into the LCM is x, so it becomes x into cos x into log of x plus sin x. Now here a power of x is sin x and power of x is, so we can also write this as x to the power sin x minus 1 into x into cos x into log x plus sin x. So this can also be further written like this. Now see the second function. V is equal to sin x raised to the power cos x. Now take log both sides. Now in the same way we can solve this. Log v is x, log of sin x raised to cos x. So we use the log rule here. Cos x will come here, cos x into log of sin. There are two functions. This is first function and second. Again we will use the product rule. So differentiate and apply the product rule. We will apply here the product rule. So 1 upon v into dv upon dx is derivative of first function is minus sin x. Derivative of sin x is cos x is minus sin x into the second function plus first function into derivative of this is 1 upon sin x into derivative of this is cos x. So we will transfer v to the right hand side, so dv upon dx is v is a sin x to the power cos x, bracket again, minus sin x into log of sin x plus cos x upon sin x is cot x into cos x. Here sin is plus. Therefore this is dv upon dx, and so we can write dy upon dx, dy upon dx is equal to, substitute here the value of du upon dx, which is sin x raised to the power sin x minus 1 into x cos x into log x plus sin x plus this dv upon dx is sin x to the power cos x. First we write the positive term cot x into cos x minus sin x into log of sin x. So is the solution of this. See this, the value of du upon dx is this, and value of dv upon dx is this. Substitute these value here, so we get the result, which is the derivative of the given function